You can seduce sales. People love this. What I'm about to share, it's gonna project a better image of you as a business owner, as a brand leader, to your ideal customer, members of your niche, members of your brand-based community, so that they're more likely to subscribe to you on social, opt into your email list, and yes, buy your business's offerings too. Hi, I'm Stacey Storino, and I've been an entrepreneur for over 25 years and a content marketing for conversions business coach for the last 10 of those years, with, honestly, thousands of students across the world under my belt. They learn how to create content marketing that drives more traffic to their business so that they could do more business. If that's something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification and select all so that you don't miss another one of my free trainings. Now, when you're creating content with you in it, and that includes live streams, sure, and videos, both long form and short form, how you harness your energy is super important. It's how you can get more of your content consumers to know, like, and trust you, and it's how you attract your clientele to join your brand-based community, get on your email list, and buy from you. First off, understand your own energy. When you're looking to attract buyers to you and your business and its offerings, you need to understand your own energy, meaning you have to understand who you are as a brand leader first. Why should anybody follow you as the brand leader? Plus, many times when you're taking on the role of brand leader and you're creating content featuring you, well, have you embraced who you really are? Because if you haven't, it shows. Many times people take on a role and then it's like they're taking on a personality that isn't really them. They're trying to act like someone else, like maybe mimic another business owner, when truly they have to be who they are and be comfortable with that. This is what's called inner confidence, and believe me, when you're making like you're someone or something you're not, it comes across like a song out of tune to the content consumer, which won't lead to conversions. So similarly, be authentic. Authenticity is key when it comes to gaining the KLT factor from your brand-based community, or the know, like, and trust factor. People buy from others that they trust, right? Do not try to be someone you're not. Do not try to mimic another business owner who you think is more successful than you. People both consciously and subconsciously love someone, personally or professionally, who takes ownership of their quirks, their silliness, where it's clear that you're confidently embracing who you are. True confidence comes not just from understanding who you are, but being able to embrace it too. Letting your unique energy shine through is what's going to attract people to you as a brand leader, because it's fresh, original, and engaging on the receiving end. Then your content consumers really get to know the real you, decide that they like you, and once they trust you, they're more likely to convert. Be present. Being present is a powerful way for you to seduce sales conversions. During live streams especially, or hey, when you're in person with a qualified sales lead. Don't just blare through your announcements or information that you've come to share. Pay attention to what they say, what comments you get in the chat, concerns that people have. Stop and take the time to address each question or concern, because it won't just please the people who have them, but all of the onlookers who notice how you take such good care of every member of your brand-based community. Greet everyone who comes on board for a live, let's say. Wave to them during the live stream if you've got the wave function, say on Instagram, or greet them by name or social handle otherwise. Show everyone that they're important, that you value them taking time out of their lives to attend your live stream. People love it, and you earn their loyalty too. Be confident. Confidence is a powerful energy that is attractive both personally and professionally. If you're not coming across as confident in yourself your business, its offerings, that sort of thing, well, who's gonna feel confident enough to buy from you, right? Your confidence levels can rise and fall on the daily. Guess what? That's normal. Self-worth, however, should be sustainable. If you lack self-worth, then you'll lack confidence. They go hand in hand. When you have the self-worth, confidence, and drive, you'll have the push, the drive, the determination to follow through even when you're not feeling 100% perfect. We believe in ourselves, our offerings, and their ability to help people get out of pain and into pleasure. When you believe in yourself and your abilities as well, you're more likely to follow through and consistently create and publish content, follow up with inquiries, and sell well. Be assertive. There can be a fine line between being assertive and being aggressive, but when you research both of these states, you'll realize all too quickly that they're not the same thing. You're not trying to be pushy, controlling, or demanding. Assertiveness is showing that you're powerful, together, and a leader, a true brand leader worth following, trusting, and buying from. Assertive business owners market and sell to their social following and their list without feeling sleazy or domineering because they don't just believe in themselves and their products, services, or offerings, although that's part of it. They also know that selling is really helping. They're more worried about reaching, teaching, helping, and serving people through their talents and how they pour those talents into their offerings than being worried about their own ego. Entrepreneurs get paid to help people. There's no shame in that. Be positive. Positive energy is just downright contagious and will attract people to you, your brand-based community, and its offerings big time. It's not annoying for you to be a happy person and share that in your pictures on Instagram, your short and long form videos, during your live streams, and so on. People don't want to buy from negative Nellies. They want to buy from happy, well-adjusted humans. Anything less than that should be a turnoff to them. If entrepreneurs are supposed to solve other people's problems, and that's why they get paid, then nobody wants to buy from someone who comes across as negative, problematic, or high drama themselves, right? Spreading good vibes makes other people feel good, and they're more likely to feel like taking the next step with you and your business to feel even better. Be passionate. When people are weighed down by their problems and they're seeking solutions to them, they might feel sad, weighed down, drained, and looking for a way out of feeling that way, of course. So when you are passionate during your lives, in your video-based content, people will really appreciate that because they need stronger energy, a feeling of onward and upward, and zeal to turn things around. It shows people that you do not lack clarity, enthusiasm, and drive, and that's going to make the case for you in their minds that you're the right person for the job of helping them solve their problems and satisfy their desires. So be passionate about your business, its offerings, and their ability to make someone's life better and help them to achieve the outcome they desire. If you find yourself struggling with any of these kinds of things or content marketing in general, from creating content to making it appealing to your ideal customers subjectively or optimizing things so that platform algorithms can rank or suggest your content out better when it comes to search or suggested, well, I would encourage you to click the link in the show notes or the description below this video and check out Funnel Dynasty, which is my coaching experience that is a full and well-rounded approach to content marketing that'll drive more traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Otherwise, here's another video that YouTube thinks you'd enjoy when it comes to creating content that drives more traffic to your business so that you can do more business.